Hi everyone, now we are going to look at the 11th question of mock quiz 2 for the IIT Madras data science. So as we saw in the previous question, we solved for a and we solved for ax is equal to 0 also. And now in the 11th question, there is a slight change in the question stem. So in the place of x, y, z, we are just going to substitute L, M and N as a base of kernel T. So if they have given the kernel of T, it is equal to 0. So closing your eyes, you can just equate it to 0. So this is the standard matrix representation of Ax is equal to B. Since B is not given, we can take it as Ax is equal to 0. And the place of A, just substitute the matrix what we solved in the previous question 2, 3, 8 and 4, 9, 16. And similarly, the place of X, since Lm and N are the basis vectors, okay, and therefore they are given N is equal to 1. So therefore L, M and N. You just did right and just equate to 0 comma 0. Okay, and going to the next step, what we should do is, since they are given that N is equal to 1, so in the next step substitute N is equal to 1. Okay, so 4, 9, 16 we are getting again, and L, M and 1 equal to 0, 0. Okay, fine. So now framing the equations, you'll be getting the first row, first column, and the second row and the first column. You just equate to 0. And while solving the equations, while doing the matrix multiplication, row wise and column wise, so you'll be getting 12 plus 3m plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so we form this as a first equation, and next equation 4l plus 9m plus 16 equal to 0. Okay, you can take this as a equation 2, and from 1 we will be getting it as 12 plus 3m is equal to minus 8, and from the second equation we will be getting it as 4l plus 9m equal to minus 16. Okay, since we need to solve for m, what you can do is you can write the modified first equation by multiplying by 2, and therefore we'll be getting it as 4l plus 6m is equal to minus 16, and next 4l plus 9m is equal to minus 16. So therefore, while subtracting the equation, while solving for m, we'll be changing the sign. Therefore, plus becomes minus and the minus becomes plus. So therefore, 4l and minus 4l, it get cancelled, and to the right side of the equation, minus 16 plus 16, it gets cancelled, and we know 6m minus 3m, we'll be getting it as minus 3m equal to 0, and dividing the both sides of the equation by minus 3, we'll be getting m is equal to 0. Since they asked the question, find the value of m, we have found the value of m as 0. So therefore 0 is the correct answer. Okay, hope you all like this content, and if you like my video, just put a like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.